In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload website on GoDaddy Domain 2026 full tutorial. We'll start right from your GoDaddy account and finish with your site live on your domain. First, head to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From that menu, open My Products so you can see everything connected to your account. Under the domain section, click Manage All. This opens your domain portfolio where you can control each domain you own. Select the domain you want to use and click DNS. This brings up DNS management. We're not changing anything here right now, but it's a good place to confirm you're working with the correct domain before you upload your site files. Next, return to My Products and scroll to the web hosting section. Find the hosting plan that will serve your website and click Manage. On the hosting dashboard, click cPanel Admin. That takes you into cPanel, which is where you'll manage your website's files. Inside cPanel, open File Manager. In the left sidebar, locate and open the public HTML directory. This is the document root for your primary domain, which means anything you put here will be what visitors see when they go to your domain. If you notice a default placeholder file, like a temporary index page, you can remove or overwrite it when you upload your site. With public HTML open, click Upload. You can drag and drop your website files directly into the upload area, or click Select File to browse your computer. Be sure to include your homepage file, typically named index.html or index.php, along with any CSS, JavaScript, images, and other assets. Keep your folder structure the same as it is on your computer so links and images work correctly. If you prefer to upload a single compressed package, you can upload a .zip of your site instead. After it finishes uploading, return to File Manager, right-click the zip file, and choose Extract. Confirm the destination is public HTML. When extraction completes, you should see your site files and folders listed there. If a new folder was created during extraction, make sure your index file ends up directly inside public HTML so the site loads at your root domain. Now it's time to verify. Open a new browser tab and type your domain name. If everything is in place, your website should load. If you don't see changes right away, try a hard refresh or give it a minute for caching to clear. That's it. Your website is now uploaded to your GoDaddy domain and live for the world to see.